Alright, quick math power-up. In the next 2.5 minutes, I'm showing you how to build 4 charts fast: bar graph, histogram, stem and leaf plot, dot plot, hook, teach, apply. Let's run it. Imagine you've got a stack of test scores, or daily steps. Teach, bar, graph. Data type, categories. Example, red shirts sold. Example, blue shirts sold. Example, green shirts sold. Steps, list categories on the x-axis, frequency on the y-axis. Draw equal width bars with gaps between them. Label axes, add a clear title. Tip, order bars by height for instant readability. Teach, histogram. Data type, numerical and continuous. Example, ages 10-18, choose bins that cover the full range. Bin 10-12, bin 13-15, bin 16-18. Count how many values land in each bin. Draw touching bars, no gaps. Tip, keep bins equal width. Tip, adjust bin size to reveal the pattern. Teach, stem and leaf plot. Data type, small to medium numerical lists. Use when you want exact values visible. Split each number into stem, leading digits, and leaf, last digit. Example, 47, stem 4, leaf 7. List stems in a column, write leaves in ascending order on each line. Tip, include a key, like 4, 7, 47. Teach, dot plot. Data type, small to medium numerical values, great for clusters and duplicates. Steps, draw a number line for your range, stack one dot above the value for each occurrence. Tip, group by 5s to count fast. Tip, label the scale. Apply, quick example set, 12, 13, 13, 15, 16, 16, 16, 18, 19. Dot plot, number line from 12 to 19. Place one dot at 12, place one dot at 13, then another stacked. Place one dot at 15. Place 3 stacked dots at 16. Place one dot at 18. Place one dot at 19. Now you see the cluster at 16. Stem and leaf. Stems 1, leaves 2, leaves 3, 3, leaves 5, leaves 6, 6, 6, leaves 8, leaves 9. Key, 1, 2, 12. Histogram, bins, 12, 13, height, 3. Histogram, bin, 14, 15, height, 2. Histogram, bin 16, 17, height, 3. Histogram, bin 18, 19, height, 2. Bars touch. Bar graph, convert to grade buckets. Bucket, below 14. Bucket, 14, 15. Bucket, 16, 17. Bucket, 18, 19. Then draw bars with gaps. Quick recap. Bar graph, categories gaps. Histogram, continuous numbers, touching bars. Stem and leaf, keeps exact values and distribution. Dot plot, tiny data sets, duplicates pop. Your turn. Grab a small data set. Songs played per day. Quiz scores. Steps. Build one of each. Title. Labels. Scale. Done. Hit save. Compare them, and pick the one that tells your story fastest.